Hello, this is Sirius. In this tutorial, we talk about how to install Telegram and how to use bot fodder for our Telegram bot. Now we start with to download Telegram desktop. You can search and download it from this link and download here. For me is Windows. You can download for Mac OS and another device you have. You can see in this link all of the OS. And now when you download it, you must install. And we launch the Telegram. Start messaging. You must write your number, phone number, to log in to Telegram. Okay, now we start to create a new Telegram bot. When you want to create a new Telegram bot, you must to find bot fodder. For finding, you must to write here in text area bot fodder. When you search, you see is the blue checklist is the real bot fodder. You click on bot fodder and it's a description about what you can do with this bot, and it's about API and Telegram bots. You can read more about this and I will explain for you in next lecture. Now we start. We click in the start button. Now we see here a lot of comment and it's right here bot fodder. I can help you to create and manage Telegram bot. If you are new to bot API, you can read here, but now I will explain for you. Here we have a comment is right, create a new bot. In bot fodder and Telegram bot, for comment line you can send a slash and new bot for create a new bot, and for edit your bot you can send my bots. And another comment we have here I will explain for you in the next lecture. Now we send a new bot. You can see here it's right, you must choose a new name for your new bot. We send now we choose a new username. For username we must put and write a bot at the end of our username. Now is done. Now we create a new Telegram bot and here it's right for us, and here you can see is our token. With token we can connect to our Telegram servers. We can to develop our Telegram bots with PHP and I will explain for you step by step. It will be easy for you to create your idea, and I will help you. Now we back to our menu. For this we can send a slash help. You can see our comments again, and this time we click on my boots. You can see here it's our boots, Udemy tell but you can choose it. Here we have our API token. I talk about it here, and we have bot setting. We can delete our bot, we can edit. Now I choose edit bot. Here we have edit name button, edit about, edit comments, and edit description. Edit description, if we choose our bot. Here we don't have any description here. Description is here, and edit about us. In this part we can put or about, we can write about our company, and now we can write our description. Now we send for our father is right sizes, description updated. We can back to our bot list, we can back to our bot. Now for to see this in description, we must to choose our username. You can see here I'm a new Telegram bot. It's our description. We back to bot father, we click here. Now we can choose our about. We click on edit about. You must write in text area about and we send to our bad father. It's right for us taxes. It's update. Now we can see in but if we click on back to our but and we click on our username and we will click in our name of our bot. You can see here it's or about. We write it now. You back to our bad father. Now we can choose we must to choose edit bots to back to our menu, and we can choose now a new photo for our bot. We can click on edit bot pic. We must to send a new photo. I have photo here. I click on it. You must to choose send as a photo. You can send as a file. It's important for when you want to choose a photo for your but we send it. It's right successful, it's updated. You can see in if we back in our bot, and choose edit buts and choose our username name, and we can see here our buts. Before I choose other one, it's not important, it's new one which I choose for this. You can put 2 or more photo. Now we back to our but father. We have here another button, it's edit comments. When you choose it, is the experiment for you how you can choose a new comment. Comment is like I talked about it before, it's when you put a slash and a start. You can see here is right. For example, new bot, you can create a new bot. My bot, edit your bots, it's about token or editing things. We can choose now a stop. This format you must use is like a stop, a space, dash, and a space again, and your description. We can say a stop, but we send for, you can choose another one to enter. If you want to choose another one, you can back to your bot, edit bot buttons, edit comments button of your bots, and send another thing like help space dash space and help bots. Now if you want to see this, you need to back or but we need to choose our username, and now when you start your bot, nothing happened. We don't have any code for now, but we write a command and if you put a slash here, you can see your command. You write it like help, like a stop. For you it must be clear. For me, I have problem with my Telegram desktop, but for you, you can create a stop, help, and more other things. We will talk about it in next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.